Good morning, good morning. We are taking the car. Good morning. We are off to a service. Sambisi Motor for service. It's a Friday. It's 20-7, 6:38. Yes, 20-7. We need to take the car in for a service, and yeah, then I have a few errands to run. Not a lot, so I don't know if I'll wait for the car or I'll come back. I'm not sure. I'll see what time. What time am I done with most of the things? But yeah, let's go. Good morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I don't know what day is it, but yeah, it's a Vlogmas day. By the way, I'm just taking in my car for 105. That's servicing for 105,000 kilos, but it's currently sitting on 60,000. Why is it servicing now? Just because they wanna chow us money. Because why? Why am I servicing this much? But again, yeah, let's talk when I get there. Now I need to concentrate on the road. Back from the service, so I thought let me end today's vlog with a mini haul. So okay.
Hey.
Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, so let's do a mini haul. So I bought
this,
the relaxer at Clicks for baby girl's hair. And then what else did I get from Clicks? And then I got
this
cable, the hair moisturizer. And then already packed lace in Bella because I needed some kind of a break. And then originals, this is a hair moisturizer for my own hair, for dry hair. And then not now and then a leave-in conditioner. It works well with my hair. I think I'm Clicks pela scala and Clicks and and also mascara, because Sena mascara essence. And then my body spritzer, 2 for me, body spritzers.
and these,
okay,
my mom's,
a blush and a bronzer. and then a concealer.
And then it's spill.
It's contour stick. And then the mirror is a civil. And then a China seat. I got this mirror. This would be my camera.
And this.
Camera. I think this was 15 rand or 20 rand or 30 rand. I'm not sure.
Did I keep?
I keep literally. And then now these bags. So just bag organize. I think this was 30 rands. And this also 30 rand. This was 21 rand. Got mine. Got one for baby. Okay, this is for baby girl. I two pair the keeper any packet. This was 15 rand, I think, yeah, for baby girl for my lipstick. And then I got here this for 10 rand to put in money inside. And this for into zakhe already.
So panda.
Already inside sekafaka my paint because wow, ahlala are everywhere. Bosaka my paint. This was 21 rand. It's a good buy.
And to keep.
Yeah, keep it. And then got this for 10 rand. I know I'm gonna put something, I don't know what, but yeah, I'm trying to be an organized lady. So yeah, I think we are ending today's vlog here. I took my car in. It's not dirty because they said they're gonna wash it. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna wait for 4 hours for a wash bay. Rain is coming. My car's outside under no shelter, no garage, so it's fine. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Inside it's not dirty. I did vacuum it last week, so yeah, probably
And
give it a
last
wash.
year.
I'll probably give it a wash when maybe Monday.
Yeah,
Monday. So yeah, so we are ending
Or
today's
Tuesday.
Vlogmas here. See you tomorrow,
or Tuesday.
yeah, or Tuesday. So get a chance ngikhulume. So let's end today's Vlogmas here. Tomorrow we need to pick up 2 items that take a lot, and then also do a return, yeah, and then take the babies out for either a drive-through or a sit-in at McDonald's because they love a McDonald's. So I'll take them to McDonald's tomorrow. Hopefully it won't rain. And then yeah, I'll see you tomorrow on another Vlogmas day. Until next one. Ubani ongasabi rain? Yeah, bangishan drive in the rain. So yeah, let me pack this and go inside because the reason I'm here, kudlala music ending, so I don't wanna be rude and say, please switch off. I wanna do what. That is so rude. So prefer to come here and finish this year. So yeah, let me see you. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Good morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today is a Saturday. I don't know what Vlogmas day this will be. So today the plan was for me to take my babies out, but the other mother took them out, which is my sister. So I'm thinking, let me wash my makeup brushes because probably tomorrow or Monday I might do a makeup video. I don't know. And my hair is in pondos, hence I'm wearing a store. It's not even sunny outside. I just wanna lalisa my pondos, and then yeah, so I'm thinking, Gucci, let me wash my brushes and then sort out my makeup because I bought this yeah, so I was thinking, good, one of this thing is will work fine for my makeup. You sort out the things that I need daily. Not daily, but you know what I mean as a beginner. Because I'm thinking I only need foundation, primer, setting spray, concealer ngithenge what maybe an eyeliner. Yeah, like not a lot. So I think they will fit la. That way I know I would use one thing, or no, that way I know I would use specific things for December or okay, maybe I'll get it right. Not the whole of December, December and January while I'm on leave. So yeah, we'll do that later. And this one, I think this one I bought it for, isn't the same 17, just to have a cute bag. But maybe I'll go back to that shop before I'm 17 just to get a lot of them. I feel like even for a toiletry for the kids, because we're gonna have a sleepover sometime soon, just to have their toiletries here. I think this will be so cool. Yeah, maybe I'll do that as well. But anyway, yeah, let's wash my brushes. But they're workable now. I need them to dry. Maybe they will dry by tomorrow since there's not enough sunlight.